Welcome back to my channel, The Health Place. Today, we have something delightful to discuss, the aromatic and soothing lemon balm tea. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a member of the mint family and boasts a distinct lemony aroma. It has been treasured for centuries not only for its aromatic qualities, but also for its potential health benefits. As we explore the wonders of lemon balm tea, we'll discover the various types available, the simple yet elegant preparation methods, and the incredible advantages it brings to both body and mind. Types of lemon balm tea: lemon balm and peppermint. Combining lemon balm with peppermint creates a refreshing and invigorating blend. Peppermint's cool menthol flavor complements the citrus notes of lemon balm and chamomile tea. This blend combines the mild citrus flavor of lemon balm with the gentle floral notes of chamomile. It's a popular choice for relaxation and promoting restful sleep. Lemon balm and lavender tea. Lavender adds a floral and aromatic element to lemon balm tea, creating a calming and fragrant infusion. This blend is often appreciated for its stress-relieving properties. Lemon balm and ginger tea. Ginger brings a warm and spicy kick to lemon balm tea, creating a soothing beverage that may have benefits for digestion and immune support. Lemon balm and honey tea. Sweetening lemon balm tea with honey enhances its flavor profile, providing a naturally sweet and comforting drink. Lemon balm and green tea. Combining lemon balm with green tea results in a refreshing beverage with the antioxidant properties of green tea and the gentle citrus notes of lemon balm. Benefits of lemon balm tea: stress relief. First up, lemon balm tea is renowned for its stress-relieving properties. The calming effects can help alleviate tension and promote a sense of tranquility, making it an ideal choice during hectic days. Improved mood. Drinking lemon balm tea might just be the mood boost you need. Some studies suggest that it may have a positive impact on mood, helping to lift your spirits and bring a touch of sunshine to your day. Better sleep. For those struggling with sleep, lemon balm tea can be a soothing bedtime ritual. Its mild sedative properties may contribute to better sleep quality, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed. Digestive support. Lemon balm tea has been historically used to support digestion. It can help soothe an upset stomach, ease bloating, and aid in overall digestive comfort. Sip it after meals for a gentle digestive boost. Antioxidant rich. Loaded with antioxidants, lemon balm tea can be your ally in the fight against oxidative stress. These antioxidants may help protect your cells from damage, promoting overall health and well-being. Immune system support. Boosting your immune system is always a good idea, and lemon balm tea might just be the ticket. Its immune supportive properties can be attributed to various compounds that help fortify your body's defenses. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.